Hi Chirich, hope you are well. At first, introduce about myself and about my agency. After that, I can discuss about your channel issue. This is FSD Freelance Help. It is my agency website. And if you scroll down, then you will see a picture at us here. Farabi Adnan Nazrul, founder, CEO, and mentor. He teaches us how to give a grow YouTube channel, and he also teaches us Facebook ads, Google ads, and all social media marketing. And if you go to our client meeting section, then you will see many clients we perform all around the world. These guys from USA, these guys from China, these guys from USA, these guys from France, these guys from Czech Republic, and if you go next, then you will see many more. We perform all around the world. And if you go to our team, then you will see many skillful freelancers. They are all skillful freelancers. And if you go next, you will see many more. And if you type here my name Raihan and click enter, then you will see interface. I am Raihan, creative digital marketer and professional YouTube video SEO expert, Facebook ads, Google ads, and all social media marketing manager. I do marketplace, Fiverr, Upwork, and I do out of marketplace as like as your project. And this is our first YouTube channel, Farabis Smart Diary. We have 510k subscriber and we uploaded 771 videos. And if you go to our videos popular section, then you will see 2.4 million views, 1.4 million views, 1.3 million views. And if you go next, then you will see many more. And this is our second YouTube channel, FSD Freelance Help. We gain 238 subscriber and we uploaded 204 videos. And if you go to our videos popular section, then you will see 1.4 million 9 million views, 1 million views, 605k views. And if you go next, then you will see many more. I hope it is your YouTube channel Cheese From. You have 1.442k subscriber and you uploaded 428 videos. And if you scroll down, then you will see you have just 9 views and 98 views, 397 views. You are not getting views according to your subscriber because your main problem is here. Your video SEO score is 31.3 out of 100 because your main problem is your video title, tag, and description are not optimized and your video SEO score are not increased. If you increase your video SEO score 19 plus, then someone search your related video, then your video show on top. And if you fix this, if you solve this problem, then your channel is possible to grow. If you want, I can help you to grow your YouTube channel as a YouTube video SEO expert. So thanks for visiting this my video.